I am Pothikrit. I completed my master's in statistics last year in 2020, and presently I have been placed with Nielsen, thanks to Ivy, where I got a lot of help. I had been doing a job in the position in the role of data analyst as a data analyst before joining Nielsen. So it's a growth curve, and thanks to Ivy, I am here now, where I am standing today. First, I came to know about Ivy in 2018 when I started doing my masters. I heard from one of my faculties back at my university who informed me about Ivy and what I can learn from here. Then I went through Google, learned about the different courses, the course structure, how uh, how we are taught, actually the previous experiences of different students that were there in the website. I went to Ivy after that, and I took some demo classes, and then also saw the prospects of the different projects that we can do from here, and as well as the help we can get from the faculties which were told to us when I went there. So it really impressed me, and that actually made me realize that this is somewhere I can actually join to learn something new, and in the sense that I was not very much prepared for the job market, the job demands that are there nowadays. So I needed to upgrade myself, and actually, so that is why I decided to join Ivy back in 2019. So first I started off with R because I needed. Basically, what I did was I started with R because I needed that at my college, because R was something. It helps in data mining, basically in all the basically in the predictive. I needed the predictive analysis part because I needed to learn more about that. So because that was what my college needed me to do as a project. So I did. I started with it, and then I shifted to advanced Excel and SQL later. Uh, at Nielsen, my interview was basically fully focused on advanced Excel, which actually I got a lot of help because I whatever I learned in advanced Excel was absolutely uh, credit credit goes to Ivy to this, because I didn't know much about advanced Excel, though we use Excel a lot, but the insights of it, how Excel is used, how much we can use it. Absolutely had no idea about this, because there are many insights which we needed to know, which are actually needed in the practical world, and Ivy helped me go through this. And also after that round, we had the interview, the panel interview, the PowerPoint interview, where we were guided in it also. The faculties helped us prepare for different questions because they are well trained in the industry, and they're experienced faculties who have already been in this industry for quite a long time. So uh, with their help, we could prepare for different questions where they also made us aware of the questions that the company might ask us. So yes, this is how we got the help from IIT. Some advice would be, please focus on your courses that the faculties are teaching, because they are very good at that. They will try their level best to make you learn about these courses, and if you focus on it, you're going to learn a lot. And they are also going to help you every time that you need help. It is not only focused on the classroom timing that you would be helped apart from the classroom timings as well. The best thing about here is the fixed timing of classes. That is, it gives us a feel of the classroom that actually helps us to learn the topics that we are being taught that day. So it is actually of great help. And to the students, please focus on what the faculties are saying. Also, please select whatever you are doing, the courses you are doing, please select it properly, how it is going to benefit you, and do it accordingly. When I started doing, I was basically a student. I was doing my master's in statistics. After completing my masters, I got a job where I started, but I was facing issues, so I was not happy. Ivy has helped me to go through this as well, because I talked to the faculties who were here, Ishani ma'am, Pratik sir. They gave me pieces of advice which actually helped me. Then the opportunity came with Nielsen, where I got every bit of help from from all the faculties there at Ivy whenever I asked for, and that has actually helped me a lot. to my friends, I would say, if you want to know about data science, if you want to learn data science, please come to Ivy, because this is a place which is going to help you grow leaps and bounds, because they are going to help they teach in such a way that it is actually very helpful to you, that helps you learn these concepts well, and also prepare yourself for the job that you are going to do in the future. And if you compare the courses, the course structure, everything with other institutes that are offering, Ivy has a much better infrastructure in place for you to learn this course.